Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of these 2023 white cement threes. Before we do though, let me set the mood. Let me set the ambiance. Okay? Bow. All right, everyone, let's get down on this quick unboxing. Now, before we get into it, I just wanna say, I hope everybody's having a beautiful day today. Today is Friday. So y'all are probably seeing this on Saturday or Sunday. So I hope y'all have a great weekend, but let's get right into the box. Now I got this for retail. I actually got early access somehow and some way on my sneakers app, which kind of surprised me because I was super late in buying these. It notified me in the morning, but I didn't see the notification until like 7 hours later. But they were still reserved for me and I was able to purchase, which I was shocked, honestly. It's been a long time since I've got a pair like this, a pair that I've been wanting for retail. Retail price was $220 if I'm not mistaken, and then after tax, probably add another extra 20 bucks to that, which is kind of crazy these days. But these are the 2023 white cement threes, reimagined, whatever you guys want to call it. The box is looking spectacular. If you guys haven't been tuning into the channel, I did do an early review on these, so I'll have that link down below if you guys want an in-depth review. But let's go ahead and take a look at the pair that I got, because I know there were some quality issues here and there. First things first, we got that pamphlet, okay, looking crispy. Now let's get into the shoes. Man, seeing a pair of Jordan 3s like this brings me back. So far, so good on this side. Everything looks nice. I know a lot of people were having issues with the elephant print not matching on both of their shoes. So let's go ahead and check this out. I mean, it looks decent. It looks decent. It's not bad at all. But a lot of people were complaining about the quality on these, saying elephant print doesn't match. So here's just a quick look at my elephant print. If we're looking at the backs, you could tell this side is a lot more bold in the lines than this side. But I mean, honestly, I can't really complain on this pair right here. I got it for retail. Everything looks pretty good in my opinion. And I know how everybody loves the 4s right now, but I personally like the 3s a lot more. My all-time favorite Jordan 3 has to be the black cement 3s, and I'm waiting for them to just do the reimagined look on the black cement 3s. But until then, these will do the job. I mean, this is such a classic colorway, such a classic shoe. I personally don't even like wearing primarily white shoes, but for some reason, the white cement 3s, they get the pass. I mean, even how they executed that eggshell all along the midsole, and how they did that Nike hit, extra Nike hit with the eggshell look at the bottom as well. I think this is a well-crafted shoe, well-designed shoe. And even though the price point is $220, if you guys weren't able to get it for retail, resale right now before the actual release date, they're only hitting for like 280 bucks. Let me know what you guys think about that. I know the current sneaker market isn't that great. It's kind of been all over the place. I do sell sneakers on the side, but a lot of the shoes that I've been selling are used shoes, but a lot of the newer shoes I'm noticing, they don't really resell for too much. It's either the demand isn't there or they're just overproducing. It's good for people that actually enjoy wearing the sneakers and purchasing them to enjoy and rock versus flipping them for a profit. One of my first Jordans ever was the Jordan True Blue 3s, and that was back in high school. So that must have been 2011. And then the second pair I got was a 2003 pair of white cement 3s. Had to fully restore them, and also the fire red 3s. So the 3s for sure bring me back. If y'all haven't had a Jordan 3 before, I would say go true to size. And these will be releasing, I believe, this Saturday. So maybe by the time you guys see this video, they might have already dropped. So let me know if you guys were able to get them in the comment section down below. I saw some rumors saying that they're gonna drop some reimagined bread 4s, so I'm excited for that. But I'm really waiting for some black cement 3s. And if I could do a custom on these, that might be spicy. If I convert these right here into some black cement 3s, we might have a new video idea. But anyways, that's about it for this quick little unboxing. Again, my pair didn't really have too many crazy quality issues, nothing that I noticed, but I've seen some crazy stuff on the internet. So if you guys happen to be able to get a pair in person, make sure you check it out. Look for that elephant print, look for the cut right there on the front, and then look at how it sits on the back. But if all those check out, you should be good to go. Other than that, I did do a hat drop today on my website. I've been working on these hats for the past couple months, doing the designs, going with the manufacturers, all that stuff. So this is going to be a limited drop. I call this the Bay collection, and I'm also dropping hoodies as well. So if you guys want to check that out, the link will be down below in the description. All the hoodies are going to be pre-orders and the hats are limited quantities. So if you see something you like, make sure you get it ASAP. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video though. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.